Hey everyone, James here with Crucible Fab. Today I'm going to show you how to mark and color your stainless steel using the WeCreat Vision 20-watt laser engraver. Now, if you're new to laser engraving, this step-by-step guide will help you find the best settings for marking your stainless steel to give you a professional finish. So let's jump right in. What you'll need to do is choose your material. In this case, we're going to use stainless steel. So while you can use a range of materials, it's important to know the thickness of the material. This is going to help you set the laser's power and speed for the best results for the thickness that you do have. So here on the right side, we'll click on stainless steel, and we'll just select 3mm for now. You can add your own thicknesses if you like, but we'll talk about that in a later episode. So we'll just confirm that for now. All right, let's click refresh to make sure that we're connected. All right, we have our material in there. Great. Let's go ahead and click our autofocus now. Oh, we don't have anything there. So what do we need to do? Let's make our test array. How do we do that? Our test array, we just grab this rectangle or circle. Just pull it out here like that. We're going to click over here on the right side. We'll click fill engrave so it fills it in. We'll change this to something that's square here in the scale. And then we'll lock that down. Now that we have a nice square, we'll click on this array, and then we'll go to material testing array. Now that's going to open this panel here for us. This is going to allow us to set the power and the speed test that we're going to run here. So let's set our column spacing at 0.125. We'll go ahead and run 5 and 5. We'll run a minimum power of 30 and a maximum of 100. We'll run a maximum speed of, say, 275. Notice that anything over 275 tends to just go so fast it reflects and it can't really burn the surface. So we'll do 5 there, and we'll do the minimum of 10 on the speed there, and then we'll confirm that. Now, what I have noticed is a lot of people, when this first drops, it's in a single group. So I've been noticing a lot of people have a lot of problems with that. They don't really know how to get it to make individual burns at different temperatures and different speeds. So what you have to do is you have to click on it, and then up here it'll say ungroup. You want to click on ungroup, and that's just going to put everything into 2 different groups. You'll have your letters and numbers, and then you'll have your individual burn squares. So your individual letters, we'll click on those, we'll regroup those, and then that will allow us to set the power and the speed for those all together at once. So we'll set the power at 100, and we'll set our speed at 10, and we'll give it 2 passes. Okay. Now our fill engrave section, that's going to be individual, because as you can see here, it'll be 100 and 275. So there's a 275 and 100. So that's this square, the top right. The lower left square is 30 and 10. As you can see here on the right, it's 30 and 10. All right, with 1 pass. Great. So now what we'll do is we'll window select everything. We'll pull it back over here. We'll shrink it down. We'll pick where we want it to go. That looks like a good area there. Okay. We'll refresh. We'll click autofocus again. Okay, now that we've refreshed, we are ready to engrave, so we'll click Start. This is our preview. We'll zoom in. Here's our test array on the preview. It says we've got 8 minutes and 32 seconds. So I'll see you guys in 8 minutes and 32 seconds. Now that the test is complete, if you'd like those colors, you just remember those, plug those in for that material thickness, and you should be good to go. Or you just keep going, run more tests, keep adjusting your numbers, see where it leads you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And if you'd like to see how to do anything specific with the WeCreat Vision 20-watt laser, let me know. I'll be glad to make a video to help the community. Thanks for watching, and now let's go make some stuff.